Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, guys, so we can grow the channel together. Today we're working on that Audi A4 B6, guys, the 1.8 turbo engine. We have another engine here as well. We're doing engine replacement, and in the meantime we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor, known as MAF also. Okay, we'll have to remove two screws right here that hold the intake, okay, the intake pipe, but you don't need to do all the disassembly. Okay, from that point on everything's the same for a vehicle that's completely assembled. Okay, so we'll just pull this one up. Okay, and this is the airbox here, and that's the MAF sensor, guys, right here. And what to find out? Okay, this clamp is not even tight, and it should be. So somebody left this one loose, and I wonder if that caused our problem. As you can see, I actually think that's what happened. You can see the hose wasn't even on all the way. Okay, check it out, the wire is broken too. Somebody messed it up all the way. So how you remove those wires? Okay, let me demonstrate quick. Okay, on another wire. Okay, it will look like that. So what you need to do, you need to push in first, then you need to put a little bit of pressure towards the back, okay, and pull it out. That's how those wires work on the Audi. Okay, you can see when you push towards the back, it releases them. Okay, so that's how this one is supposed to be as well, but somebody messed it up. We have two screws that we will need to remove. Okay, you can see right here, one is out, and we have one on the very bottom there. You can kind of see it a little bit. Okay, we're almost there. It's a little bit inconvenient. Okay, right there. Place. Okay, we're loosening it now, and you'll be able to come out easy. So I guess somebody changed the air filter or something, and they did not install the hose, even the intake hose. Okay guys, and this is the MAF sensor itself. Okay, so that's how you guys remove it. When you install it, you just do everything in reverse order. We took it apart. Make sure, guys, you use original Bosch sensors. We've used one of the cheap ones that you can find, but we didn't have good luck with them. 1 out of 10 worked really good probably, but the other ones did not perform good, and the car was using a lot of fuel. It wasn't very fuel efficient. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.